Friends, if you're struggling to include vegetables in your diet, then today's recipe is definitely for you. Please keep watching. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. This is Sobhagya. In today's recipe, we are going to grill some of the vegetables which have high nutrition value, so that we'll be able to include in our daily diet in order to reap maximum benefits. So please keep watching. So here I am taking broccoli, Brussels sprouts and carrots to begin with. And for seasoning I am taking grounded garlic powder, some salt, pepper and olive oil. So this is the teaspoon with which I am going to measure. So I have chopped all the vegetables, broccoli, Brussels sprouts and carrots, and there goes about 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Please measure everything and then add pepper powder, black pepper powder. Friends, broccoli have high dose of nutrients. It reduces inflammation in the tissues. It is rich in antioxidants. It regulates blood sugar, reduces the risk of heart disease. It is good for gut health, also good for mental health. It improves immunity and it aids in weight loss. What else do you want? So I have added garlic powder and then salt as per taste and tossed everything really well so that the spices are well coated. You can choose any other vegetable of your choice. I am going with these 3. And to grill, I am bringing my oven to 420 degrees. And then I'm preheating. It is not required. You can directly put it into the oven, and if you have some time, you can preheat while you are prepping, so that the oven will be hot and you will have less time to cook. That's it. There goes the veggies. Carrots are really beneficial for improving the skin texture, skin health. It improves kidney function. It improves liver function, it maintains healthy heart, it is antibacterial and antiviral. Okay friends, let's make some dipping. I don't like to get mayonnaise or sweet onion sauce from outside because it is loaded with tons and tons of calories. Rather, I would prefer to make it at home. So here I took a cup of curd, yogurt, which is made at home, and then added 1 teaspoon of coriander mint chutney, again that is made at home, and half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt or black salt, and mix it really well, and then squeeze half a lemon. For the green chutney, I took 1 handful of coriander, cilantro, and a handful of mint leaves, 1 to 2 green chilies, and grinded it into fine paste. Okay, now let's add cumin powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder. This is an amazing spice for digestion. This will make sure that we have good digestion. Yes, now mix it really well. And that's it. Your dipping is ready. Now let's check on our veggies. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes for them to bake. Yeah, those are done. I like it in this form. They are little bit crunchy but still have that texture. Maybe you can broil it for 5 minutes. So here it is. Super yummy, super tasty veggies ready to eat. You can have it for lunch or dinner alongside your meal. But always have your salad first. It looks amazing. Trust me guys, just definitely give it a try. and let me know how you like it. Dip, and here you go.